Hey, welcome back. So today's video is going to be about the first mod or the first safety mod for our one. And what is it? It is stay tuned. It is about this. The SimpleONE doesn't get a charging cover. So the charger is just exposed and it is very prone to water seeping inside the charger, which can cause many issues which one will never imagine. So for that, yes, I have got a product which is going to be very helpful, which will prevent any water seeping into the charging socket. And what is it? It is this.
Oh my god! Wow!
And what is this? It is a charging cover for the SimpleONE. Now, you all might think कि SimpleONE का तो charger cover आया ही नहीं है. तो what am I talking about? But the OG owners or the enthusiasts know that the SimpleONE shares the charger with the Ola. The charger type 6 is common for both. So I have got a Ola charger cover for our one. Yes. First things first, from where did I get it? This is the charger. Now you can get n number of brand chargers cover on Amazon, Flipkart, or even in Google. If you search, you have independent websites who sell such covers for the Ola. Yes, I have ordered this from Amazon and it's from a brand called Rane, and it costed me around 200 rupees over here.
Wow!
As you can see, you can just take a screenshot about this product and get it for your one. Now let's unbox this. I have already unboxed this a month back. To be honest, I did get this before buying the bike, so I didn't want any risk for my one. I got this beforehand, before getting the delivery. Yes, so I will show you how this charger cover looks. So if I show you what is in the box, there's one charger cover and there's one clip, which is this. Now this clip is useful for the Ola users. This can be useful for us as well. Why? How? I will tell you. The charger cover just fits right over here. It's a same plug, same charger type 6 as the Ola, so this cap does fit snug. Now how to fix this? Just take it and just put it inside like this. Now yes, you will have to do some jiggle wiggle and everything, okay, then only it goes inside, but trust me, that is a very snug fit and it won't come out. Even while removing it, it does take some effort. Now by effort, you might wonder that will it cause some harm to the charger port? Nope, it won't, because it fits, because it's a cover for the type 6 charger. So now you can see that I have installed the charger cover. Now this strap is what is useful for the Ola, because the Ola charger is at the rear and it does have a small hole where you can put this clip inside this loop and then the cover just stays there. Now you can do the same over here by drilling a small hole and then just clipping it, but I would recommend you not to do that, because yeah, personally I will not drill any holes, because that this string doesn't cause any issue with the battery. Okay, so yeah, you can just keep it over here and see, that's how the flap closes. There is no issues with anything. You can then easily wash the bike, There's no harm that any water will seep inside. Yeah, so I will attach this product link in the description below, and hope this video was informative for y'all, and hope you all like this video, and do let me know if you get this product and was helpful for y'all. So yeah, do like, share, subscribe and to my channel, and till then, ride safe, be safe, see you in the next one.